Harold, you said that you had an idea about this ship rudder door?
Yes. I got this out of my car when I went up and put it in my backpack. You're reading, dear.
What?
The door is one of those Chinese ship rudders that they found in California about 200 years ago. This guy, Gavin Menzies, has studied it and wrote a book. I'll call an expert.
You said China, but those things in there all look like Egypt to me. I don't want attention until I can contact Miss Tribute. That should be it for tonight. We need to come back with better lighting.
3 a.m. This is the 4th night of outside patrol. Can't roam the neighborhood. This is it? Everybody up?
Okay. As planned, then.
Yeah. What the?
Hey!
Come and get it, Zero.
Give me that! Hey, dog. Give it up.
I can make that turn again and again, mister. Maybe that will wake up the girls. And this...
What was that? What's happening here? Long, what is it? Our guard animals, we love you. But what would that guy want to steal?